Today I'm going to quickly show you how to reset your filter light on a Samsung fridge. You can see the model working here is an RF28T5021SR. So I flipped over to the other side and you can see I've got the red filter light on here indicating I need to change my filter. So after you change the filter, you might think that this red light would reset, but you've actually got to manually reset it. And so I'll just quickly show you how to do that. It's pretty easy, kind of self-explanatory, but sometimes people get tripped up, so I thought I'd just show it real quick. So all you're gonna do is first unlock your control here by holding your lock button for 3 seconds. Now that you're unlocked, you're gonna come up to your ice maker here, and you can see it just says filter reset 3 seconds. So you hold that for 3 seconds. And now you can go ahead and lock your panel again. And I'll hold that for 3 seconds and we're all set. So now your filter timer has been reset. So like I said, very easy to do, but just thought I'd post that showing in case anyone's out there getting tripped up. If you got any questions, let me know below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next project.